Let's talk about graphic design. I know most of you don't know that I actually have a career in graphic designing. Over the years, I've designed a lot of stunning graphics that are for artists, for company, for products, a lot. And today I want to, take you through how I designed this particular graphic for a musical artist for his upcoming single. That is, I designed this for Don Fresh, and I want to take you through the process of designing it. So if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Prince Daniel. I'm a filmmaker and a creative person in general. So all I want you to do is subscribe to this channel, and I'll be making tutorials concerning video editing, graphic designing, music distribution, and more. You may be asking which software did I use to design this. Actually, I use Photoshop, Illustrator, and Canva. That is 3 graphic design platform or software that I use. But for this particular one, I didn't use Photoshop or Illustrator. I designed everything inside Canva with the help of ChatGPT and Leonardo AI. So I use Leonardo AI, ChatGPT, and Canva to create this design. So I want to take you to the process and how everything went from start to finish. So first, I have this image. This is the image I want to use for the background. Yes, you can see on that background there's a cross. Okay, but I can't use exactly something like this because I downloaded it from Google. So what I have to do now is to take this image to ChatGPT, and I will give a prompt like this for ChatGPT to give me a prompt to generate a similar image. So I said, give me a prompt to generate image like this, but there should be a scary thunder strike on the sky. Let the background look dope for an album cover. Do you understand? So I press this on ChatGPT, then ChatGPT give me a prompt. It say here is a prompt you can use to generate an image similar to the one you uploaded, but with a dramatic and scary twist for an album cover. Then here is the prompt. It say a dramatic wooden cross on a grassy hilltop with a white cloth wrapped over it. You can see this is the prompt. Then all I have to do is to copy this prompt like this because it's okay. I'll copy it, Ctrl+C on my laptop, then go to this Leonardo AI. So I want to go there, then I'll just press the prompt like this. I've pressed the prompt, you can see. Then I'll click on generate. So once I click on generate, I'll wait for some seconds. You see, these are the images that this thing generates, and this is dope, man. This is dope. Second one, sharp. Third one, nice. This is like the one that I have that I give ChatGPT. So this is very nice. Then this option, for all of them are nice, but I'm using this one, so I picked this one. So first thing I will do is go to Canva. So when you go to Canva, if you want to actually get a nice graphic design on Canva, don't pick from template. I always say this: create your own design by yourself. That is if you know how to use Canva very well. Though you can create your own design by yourself actually, then do what you want to do. So what I will do is I have music cover, like artwork that I've done for other musical artists. So what I'll do is I'll click and open it. So I click and open it, then maybe you see that I have done the design already, you see. But if I tell you everything here, all of them was added. So let us see. You see the person, the artist, delete it. This ladder was added, the title was added, everything here is added. So delete everything. So the mask was added, this song was added. So I literally delete everything that I added, so it will remain only the background. You see, that is the background that I copied from that place to here. Okay, so if you look at this background now, it's dope, but there's something that I did. I clicked on the background, then I go to edit. You see, I go to edit and do some change, do some adjustment. Then it makes that is to give me kind of cool look. Do you understand? So now, this how I achieved all these things. Now let me undo it. How I achieved all these things that is here. First of all, I have the artist picture already. So I go to element, I search for ladder. So this thing give me options. So I scroll down. Then this was the ladder that I used though. This particular one was the ladder that I used. You can see that is the one that is there. So I searched, then I checked many options, then I picked this particular one, remove the background and lay it here. Then take the artist and remove the background, then make sure that everything matched, accordingly, exactly to be like he's laying on the ladder. So I did all that. Then I go into element again. I set scary face mask. So this thing bring me this one. Then this thing actually have like it was on human head. Okay, it was on human being head. The person was wearing suit. Let me just see if I can get it back, because I removed the background. So you see it, this is how the thing is. So let me reset. I'll reset it. You see, this is how it was like this. Yeah, so it's me that actually cut off everything. I don't want to use this one. It's me that actually cut off, then I cut them off. So I placed it like this. You can see this is how the thing is. So I place it like this. Let me undo it so that it will not disturb me. Sorry. You see, so that's how I cut everything off. To cut this, just click on this, like you go to edit, you go to magic eraser, though it's available for those using Canva Pro. Okay, you go to this magic eraser. You have magic eraser, magic grab, text grab, magic edit, magic expand. So there are many options there, and all these things are working. These things is on Photoshop and other graphic designing software. So I use this magic eraser to do my things. That's what I use. You can just use it like this to clean the place you don't want on the image. You click on erase, bam, it will give you what you want. So then this is one of the things that is busting everybody's brain, which is this font that I used here. So this font that I use here, I can actually do it with Canva, but doing it on Canva, it will be a lot of time. It will consume a lot of time. So what I have to do is I go to ChatGPT. Then let me show you the prompt that I used. Give me a prompt to generate 3D style font for the title. You say here is a prompt to generate, because I've passed the title of the song to ChatGPT before. So the title is 45. You say here is a prompt to use to generate a 3D style font for the title 45, especially fitting for Goetic Urban Spiritual Album. So Goetic or Urban Spiritual Album. So you give me the text, then I copy the prompt like this and went back to Leonardo AI. So go back to Leonardo AI, then I paste the prompt the same way we did first. Paste the prompt like this, then click on generate. So wait for a second. It now give us this wonderful 3D font. Can you see this? Achieving this on any graphic designing software is a lot. It will take a lot of time. I'm telling you, this font, this is amazing. So you can see, give me different styles, but I feel like the first one is giving me the kind of the creative idea. behind what I want to do, because I thought of something that I'll use for that particular design. So what I'll do is click on download here. I download the image, then go back to where I'm designing. So I'll just do like this and import the image that I downloaded. Once I imported it, it will now load. Once you load it, come like that. Then all you have to do is to follow the same step that we did before, then remove the background. I remove the background, then find a place to put it like this. So that is how I achieve this. I'll be making a few Canva tutorial, but on this place, let me not make the video long. Alright, so that is it. Canva is actually a very nice graphic designing platform, especially for beginner. But Canva is not actually for beginner though, because it's kind of a little complicated. That is, if you don't know how to use it, maybe making a lot of mistakes. The platform is actually nice for someone who wants to learn graphic design. So I'll be making more tutorial about Canva on this channel.